This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charles Woolley. Nice 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom 3rd floor unit located central to everything. Split plan, walk-in closets. Sliding door leading to screened-in balcony with extra storage and great unobstructed view provide the ultimate in premium condo living. The complex offers community pool, playground, tennis courts and the security of a gated community. Shopping, entertainment and the worldwide attractions. Florida is famous for our all easily accessible, as are connections to Florida Highway Network. 2-part application process costing total of $100 per applicant for all applicants over 18. Hurry, this is one you do not want to miss. For more information, review the details below or contact Charles Woolley at 954-693-0100.